This one's about the wheels and tires on the Tundra. And do I know wheels? Cut here. We're going to be talking about the wheels and tires on my 2019 Toyota Tundra. Obviously it's got a lift and I'll talk more about that in another video. Today I wanted to talk about these method wheels. I got the 312s. It's a 17-inch wheel with an 8.5-inch width. It's also got a 0 offset. Gonna bump that wheel out off of the hub. I like how it looks. It kind of sticks out a little bit, not too much. I can still get into parking spots. These are bronze with a matte black lift. They were super hard to find. In fact, there was only 4 left in North America. They weren't even together. The shop that I got it from had to get 3 in one spot and 1 from the West Coast. For the tires, I went with a Falken Wild Peak RTs. It's an off-road tire for light truck. Sizing, it's a 35-inch tire with a 12.5-inch width. I think it fits the truck perfectly and it rides beautifully. I think that was the perfect combination for this truck and I think it looks really solid. So the options that I was considering was whether or not to go with a 17-inch wheel or an 18-inch. I think I see more of the bigger wheels, smaller tires around here in Texas, so I love how this turned out.